Your spirit won't grow if you don't feed it. You can't live strong in the spirit if you're feeding your flesh more than your faith. Matthew 4:4 says, "Man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God." You want your spirit stronger than your struggle. Here's how: word before world. Don't open your phone before your Bible. Prayer isn't a backup plan, it's your battle plan. And worship like you already won, because you have. Follow if you're ready to feed your spirit and fight back stronger. Drop spirit strong in the comments if you're done living weak in a war zone. Your spirit is your weapon. Let's sharpen it. God bless you.